And starting this educational institution is also the very same is prospective to give the very best for the future generation. Down the line, as we progress, we promise to make the Surya the global school as one of the best institutions in the city under the leadership of our principal and efficient team, wherein we would feel proud, you will feel proud to be associated with our school. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable information about our school. Now, I would like to call upon our respected principal, ma'am, the sculptor of human character, a seasoned scholar, and navigator of this flagship of knowledge, to present a brief agenda of the school. Miss Sita ma'am will accompany ma'am to the podium.
Good evening to respected chief guest of the day, Mr. Cherian sir, Dr. Virendra, G. Mohan Rao Garu, our beloved chairman sir, parents, staff, and my dear students. Firstly, I would like to thank each and everyone present here for accepting our invitation and attending annual day event Surya Abhinay 2016. As already our chairman sir could share a few points of our school with you all, I would like to put it in a precise and brief fashion. Unlike every year, today I would not be covering annual report as annual report, but I would like to share few points with you of achievement and accomplishment in the fields of curricular and co-curricular areas, academic excellence pathway which we adapt, and activities which are already conducted and are going to be in progress. To begin with achievements, at this moment I take a pride to say that the school has escalated to the horizon of success by achieving CBSE recognition certificate, and now our students are entitled to appear for CBSE board exam of grade 9 and 10, which is a proud accomplishment of the school, which was quite awaited by all the parents over here. As you all know, we do have expertise pre-primary wing. Pertaining to that, school is a member of International Early Childhood Association. Already we have taken a membership in that. Going ahead, on behalf of Surya management, I would like to announce that school is aiming and proceeding for International School Award, which is given by British Council, and ISO certification as well. As far as the academic excellence is concerned, we emphasize on the theory of Bloom's taxonomy and Howard Gardner's multiple intelligence theory, which is practically quite prevailing everywhere. This we follow right from teachers planning to the student evaluation stage during the process of delivery of the content within the classroom. As a part of which, school identified the importance of multisensory and multimedia approach, which is very, very important, and that's the reason we have equipped all our classrooms with audiovisual aids, as well as collaborated with eminent organizations called Maverick Playspring Educational Service Consultancy, who will be exclusively providing hands-on experience for our students, not only for kinesthetic learners, but also for everyone in the fields of math and English. Not only that, we are also collaborated with Butterfly Fields to enhance the learning skills in the fields of science and math at higher grades. Our academic grooming pattern will enhance the skills of the students to take up national level competitive exams in the subjects of English, math, science and technology through Olympiads, where all parents are already aware of. I feel proud to announce that in 2015, 5 students achieved gold medals from the school who represented, and in 2016, 6 students cleared the first level and proceeded to the second level, who are exclusively going to be felicitated. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together. They deserve. They are the achievers. And if I talk about the activities, at Surya we balance co-curricular activities on par with academics. We at Surya celebrate all festivals by conducting special assemblies so as to make the children understand the values and reason behind why we celebrate. as parents also are always being part of it. School has been divided into 4 houses: Prithvi, Akash, Vayu, Agni, which competes with each other in numerous activities and competitions in the fields of academics, sports, and co-curricular activities. To give a first-hand experience and to cater for the indirect way of imbibing life skills, which are very important amongst the students, school organizes many field trips to different places. We also believe that people resource and parent resource is very important. Hence, we have invited many parents to come forward as teaching partners, named as resource parents, who really share their valuable knowledge in their respective domains, which was quite useful, and I take this platform to thank them. Health is a major concern if it is an educational institute. Prioritizing the health and hygiene of the student, we are tied up with the Rainbow Hospital for regular health checkups. The true supporters for any institute, especially school, are the teachers. They are the backbones of our school. We are fortunate to have such teaching faculty who are passionate for teaching, determined. They have lot of patience, hardworking, and zeal to put up the students into the zen. They work persistently sharing the knowledge, and as well as they try to upgrade themselves by attending in-house workshops organized by outside agencies, as well as school is gentle enough in providing all sort of support by providing them offline, online workshops, let it be any field, for their development and for the beneficiary of the students. Coming to the sports, we have weekly activities like gymnastics, karate, skating, art and craft, dance, music, etc. We also have few achievers who achieve many medals in karate and skating in different competitions held at various levels, who are going to be again felicitated today. And of course, they also deserve, and we need to preserve our class. Last but not the least, every year we adapt whole school program, and this is to emphasize, to inculcate the outcomes of the program to the students. Last year we have adapted communication skills. We were exclusively focusing on communication skills of the students, and this year on values. We thought it's a need for the hour that we need to make the students realize value of life, value of time, value of the people around, to make them grow as a sensible and responsible human citizens. Human beings as well as responsible global citizens. Talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. I would like to repeat once again, talent is God's gift to you. What you do with it is your gift back to God. With this notion, our students of Surya, the Global School, are here to put up a show of reminiscence. I hope you all have received the invitation where we mentioned it's a show of reminiscence, where the word itself says that show is going to take us somewhere to recollect something. What exactly it is, let us watch and appreciate the effort of our children. And without taking much of your time, with this, I thank you all for your support. Thank you. This makes my night. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the informative information about the 3 A's of our school, that is accomplishments, academics, and activities of the global school. Thank you very much. Now, may I request our guest of honor, Mr. Sri K.C. Mathuni Cherian Garu, who have the hidden talent to motivate anyone. Sir, can we have your valuable speech?
Honorable Chairman of Surya Trust, Sri Damodar Rao, Dr. Virendra, Advocate Mohan Rao, Principal of the school, Srimati Dharitri Rao, all I can say My dear parents, teachers, and the staff of the school and children. One who compare said, Mr. Cherian, who has the hidden talent to motivate or I think inspire. I do not know how she came to know about this. And when I was on the stage now here, I have gone through the program, otherwise I did not go through the program list. I have seen in the list a talk by the chief guest. I asked Mrs. Daritri Rao, who is this, what is this? Till that time, Mrs. Daritri Rao or Mr. Damodar Rao did not tell me that I have to speak on the stage. All of a sudden, how to inspire you, I don't know, but I have a good number of years experience in the same field. So authoritatively, I could say, my dear parents and my dear children. More than, I think, 35 years, I'm in the field, still in this field. When I met the management, Mrs. Daritri Rao and Mr. Damodar Rao, I was not knowing anything about the school, anything about the trust. That in between the discussion, they told, I'm not remembering, they told, or I told, I'm not remembering, I want to see the school, or they told, they invited. Then of course, anyway, that time I told, remember one thing, okay, I'll come to your school once. And when the right occasion came, the call came from here. The date is suitable or not, they asked, I told, first I'll think and say, I'll see. And finally I said yes. Afterwards I found it is not convenient again. What I did is, I think I had to stop for a few moments. Somebody, some guest is coming. Excuse me, let me wait for a few minutes till he reaches over here.
We are very pleased to have our Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Mr. K.P. Vivekananda Gaud Garu, MLA of Kutbulapur. May we welcome you, sir. Mr. K.P. Vivekananda Gaud Garu, MLA of Kutbulapur, is among us to grace our occasion.
Anyway, I agreed to come. Whatever word I said, I did so. I reached here. After coming over here, I found I'm not in a wrong place. Yeah. We are going, we can see a number of schools all over India. Even this is the first time I am here in Hyderabad for a school program. But many schools from this Hyderabad visited our school, my school where I'm there, for different programs including CBSE programs. Many leading schools, I'm not remembering the names of the schools, from this Andhra Pradesh or from this Telangana, now it is divided into two. Many came to our school, one for CBSE national international programs, sports programs, athletics, and other one for the USO, the national conference. You know, I got a good chance. I'm thanking the authorities, Mr. Rao, Mr. Daritri, for inviting me over here. We can see many schools. We termed some, as even yesterday also we were talking about some schools. Some are called the traditional schools. Some are called the progressive schools. Now in the name of the progressive schools, many are coming up. Yes, very good modern infrastructure. Modern technology is installed, trying to reach the new methods of teaching, produce good results, etc. But what we need at the present situation in India, in our place, we need ideal schools. Progress is okay. Modern technology is good. When traditional schools, we can't say everything is wrong. Some positive, negative in both the places. But what we need is ideal schools. What is inspired within few days before? As I am in the educational field, when I was going through something, some recent incident happened in the neighboring state here. Real, true incident that inspired me and lot of thought it gave to me. As she told, I don't know whether it inspired you, but it inspired me. The commentator told, I don't know whether it can, but it inspired me. When I was sitting, I thought I'll speak to you that incident. In a nearby state, there was a big gathering, a huge gathering in this 2016 for honoring the first 10 rank holders of a particular district. I'm not saying the name of the state or name of the district at present. A huge gathering. The chief guest was one of the leading political parties leader, a good businessman, and many other politicians, including many other high-profile people. First 10 rank holders. They sequence it like this. First they called the 10th rank holder, then they called the 9th, then the 8th, and the last, the first rank holder. The 10th rank holder is called, Deepa is her name. When she came on the stage, she was interviewed or she was asked by the comparer, what is the secret of your achievement or your success? And about her parent, the parents, she told immediately, I give the whole credit to my teachers. First I give to the teachers, and the second to my school, and third to my parents. And further she said, my parents, my mother is a professor. My father is an executive in the bank. You see, one after other, all 9 rank holders were called on the stage. Students were interviewed, and it is understood that all the parents of all these students, rank holders, are high-profile, educated people. Professors or doctors or engineers or whatever it is, or journalists or whatever it is. Finally, but they were given a place, important, prominent place in front. And finally, the 10th rank holder, the first rank holder, the 10th person, first rank holder is called. Yes, his name is Arun Krishnan. He was called. But he was not seen in the front seats along with the other rank holders. He was seen little behind. But immediately on his call, on calling his name, he stood up and he started moving towards the stage. Slowly on one, and when he reached on the stage, slowly the audience as well as the guest or the chief guest seen, he is looking as very confused, and he is looking the audience, searching in the audience, something in all the corners. Immediately they saw, after a few minutes, few seconds, he saw the face changed. He could locate somebody. He saw his mother in a corner, somewhere else. And the mother's, that eyes were brightening eyes, that bright and happy face. He could not control. Immediately he turned to the chief guest and said, "Sir, I wish to get my honor from my mother. And mother has not come as others have come over here. Mother has not come on the stage. Mother was not seen on the stage. Nobody could see. Then they asked, interviewed, who is your mother? The comparator asked, who is your mother? What is your mother? He said. And again she asked, is she a professor? Is she a doctor? Is she an engineer? Or is she a